Coming up in this video, I've got a very simple 3-ingredient cocktail using Absolut Vanilla or any of your favourite vanilla vodkas. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks. Right, welcome to my first of my new sort of Sunday night videos. I'm leaving behind the spiced rum for now, but I'll talk a bit more about that in my community tab on my channel. From this point going forward, Sundays are going to be all about simple serves, 3-ingredient cocktails. Some cocktails might have a few more ingredients, but I'm going for 3 kind of liquids. Other things that could be added as sort of citrus or mint or bitters or things like that, but very, very simple ingredients. So the first one I am going to kick it off with is Absolut Vanilla. Vanilla vodka is one of those things that for a lot of you that watch my videos, I know quite a few of you are all about the porn star martini, so you will have a vanilla vodka. That's the one that I kind of roll out for events and stuff like that. That's kind of my favourite one. But Absolut Vanilla is the one that's quite easy to get hold of, so that's the one I'm going to focus on. As I say, 3 ingredients, super simple but super tasty. So whether you're at home, you just for your sort of weekend drink, whether you're having a party or whether you run a pub or bar, these drinks are for you. So let's get right into it. Simple as anything. A highball glass. We are going for a double measure of Absolut Vanilla. So we'll just pop that in there. 50ml, double bubble, vanilla vodka, whatever. There's loads out there. Smirnoff, Whitley Vanilla, Carriel, Grey Goose do one, whatever. But I just think vanilla works exceptionally well in this one. Next ingredient we're going for is some orgeat. This is kind of my go-to brand, is what that little bottle is there. Orgeat is an almond syrup, but this is a proper one from ADK. I'll drop links in the show notes from Drink Stuff you're getting that from. It's got a little bit of orange flower, orange blossom water in there as well, orange flower water, and a little tiny hint of vanilla as well. This is cracking orgeat, much better than Monin in my opinion. But if you just want an almond syrup, Monin is brilliant, but this has got a little bit more to it. Anyway, this is just the sugar syrup, that's all that is. Half a shot, 15ml going in there. And then to finish this off, one of my favourite mixers for fun drinks is this Fentimans Tropical Soda. You get this in most supermarkets now, probably in the sort of 500ml bottles. So we just want the whole bottle of this. This is sort of a pineapple mixer with a little bit of juniper in there as well, a little bit of pear extract. It's really, really lovely. So I'm just going to pour that whole thing in there. That's your 3 ingredients. Just to sort of finish it off, we're just going for a few cubes of ice. Just a couple to start off with. Take a spoon and give it a stir, just to kind of blend that almond, that orgeat syrup through. Give it a good stir, and then we're just going to top up. Top up with more ice. And then to finish off, you can garnish this however you want. I'm just going for a lime wedge, and I'm just going to squeeze the juice of 1 lime wedge in there and then serve it with a straw. And that is my sort of tropical soda and Absolut Vanilla, highball, whatever you want to call it. I'm rubbish at naming drinks, so stick a name in the comments section below, but this is super tasty. So refreshing, the vanilla, the tropical notes of that, absolutely amazing. Really, really love that. So I hope you enjoyed that. Plenty more of these videos to come. I'm going to be using household ingredients for things like jams. I've got a lot of fun coming up with some jams as well. So that's what's going to happen on Sunday nights going forward. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're like me and you want to watch more of my videos, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you don't want to miss any of my future videos, make sure you ring the bell as well, because then YouTube will notify you every time I go live. One final thing to shout out now is my Patreon. My membership tiers offers 3 levels or 3 different tiers of membership. The top tier is all about education. I'm kind of transitioning my online courses into that sort of membership tier, teaching you all sort of drinks techniques and cocktail techniques, from helping bartenders to earn more money, pubs and bars, how to make customer service, how to make more money if you run a pub or bar. And then one of my other courses I've got is how to start your own mobile bar or horsebox bar. I've done a lot of training over that over the last few years. So all those kind of short, bite-sized little snippets will be in that tier. My other tier on there as well is my little Legends Club. You can get, every month you're going to get my updated cocktail book completely sort of free in there. Each month I keep adding more and more recipes to that. And then every week you're going to get 4 simple serves in a little PDF that you can download. 4 completely random spirits, completely random sort of mixes to go with it. Very, very simple serves to help you enjoy your weekend drinks even more. So that's been me. I've been Steve the Barman. I will see you in the very next video.